you struggle to remember the Old Testament books in order? With the Giraffe Memory technique, it becomes simple and enjoyable. Introduction. In this part, we cover books 21 to 30 using the major system and deck. Visualize, associate, effectively connect. No prior knowledge needed. Let us begin. Book 21 is Ecclesiastes. Visualize Ecclesiastes as keys in class major system 21 net. Imagine a giant met catching golden keys of wisdom. Imagine a giant met catching golden keys of wisdom. Question is, what is book 21 of the Old Testament? Answer is Ecclesiastes. Question is, what is book 21 of the Old Testament? Answer is Ecclesiastes. Book 22 is Song of Songs. Visualize love songs under the sun, major system 22, a nun costume. Imagine a joyful nun dancing to love songs under bright sun. Imagine a joyful nun dancing to love songs under bright sun. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Song of Songs. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Song of Songs. Book 23 is Isaiah. Vision and prophecy, major system 22, and Nemo toy. Imagine Nemo wearing huge glasses saying, I see visions. Imagine Nemo wearing huge glasses saying, I see visions. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Isaiah. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Isaiah. Book 24 is Jeremiah. Jeremiah's jar of my tears, major system 22, and Nero. Imagine Nero holding a jar of tears reading laments. Imagine Nero holding a jar of tears reading laments. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Jeremiah. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Jeremiah. Book 25 is Lamentations. Mourning and grief, major system 25, nail. Imagine a nail piercing a soft heart pillow, tears falling. Imagine a nail piercing a soft heart pillow, tears falling. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Lamentations. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Lamentations. Book 26 is Ezekiel. Wheels and visions, major system 26, Neko. Imagine a Neko spinning like a wheel in the sky. Imagine a Neko spinning like a wheel in the sky. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Lamentations. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Lamentations. Book 26 is Ezekiel. Wheels and visions, major system 26, Neko. Imagine a Neko spinning like a wheel in the sky. Imagine a Neko spinning like a wheel in the sky. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Ezekiel. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Ezekiel. Book 27 is Daniel. Visualize justice like a river, major system 20 must. Imagine a neck with a lion mane guarding Daniel in the den. Imagine a neck with a lion mane guarding Daniel in the den. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Daniel. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Daniel. Book 28 is Hosea. Faithful love and healing, major system 28, knife. Imagine a knife touching a broken heart, then sealing with light. Imagine a knife touching a broken heart, then sealing with light. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Hosea. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Hosea. Book 29 is Joel. Renewal and joy, major system 29, Nob. Imagine a golden nope turning a fountain from silence to singing. Imagine a golden nope turning a fountain from silence to singing. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Joel. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Joel. Book 30 is Amos. Justice like a river, major system 30, moss. Imagine a tiny mouse on moss crying justice, roll like a river. Imagine a tiny mouse on moss crying justice, roll like a river. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament? Answer is Amos. Question is, what is book 22 of the Old Testament?